Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're going to talk about rustic outdoor living space decor, and let's learn how to create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space with rustic elements. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Rustic outdoor living space decor is a great way to add a touch of nature and warmth to your outdoor space. It's also a great way to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere where you can enjoy the outdoors. Rustic outdoor living space decor is a style that is inspired by nature and the outdoors. It uses natural materials and colors to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Some of the most common elements of rustic outdoor living space decor include wood furniture, stone elements, natural fabrics such as burlap and cotton, warm lighting, and plants and flowers. There are many benefits to decorating with rustic outdoor living space decor. Some of the most notable benefits include: first, it creates a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Second, it adds a touch of nature to your outdoor space. Third, it's a great way to make your outdoor space more functional. Fourth, it can help to increase the value of your home. There are many different ways to decorate your rustic outdoor living space. Here are a few tips for how to decorate your rustic outdoor living space. First, start with a base layer of natural materials, such as wood or stone. Second, add in comfortable seating and furniture. Third, use natural fabrics, such as burlap and cotton, to add warmth and texture. Fourth, incorporate warm lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Fifth, add plants and flowers to bring the outdoors in. Now let's delve into the specific elements that can elevate your rustic outdoor space. I've curated a list of the top 10 items that will not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also provide optimal comfort and functionality. Here are 10 of the best items for rustic outdoor living space decor. 1. Fire pit. A fire pit is the heart of any rustic outdoor living space. It provides warmth, ambience, and a gathering place for friends and family. Choose a fire pit made from natural materials like stone or metal with a rustic finish. 2. Outdoor furniture. Invest in sturdy, comfortable outdoor furniture made from natural materials like wood or wrought iron. Look for pieces with a weathered or distressed finish to enhance the rustic look. Consider adding cozy cushions and throws in earthy tones. 3. Natural fabrics. Incorporate natural fabrics like linen, cotton, and burlap into your outdoor space. Use them for pillows, throws, tablecloths, and curtains. These fabrics add texture, warmth, and a natural touch to your decor. 4. Warm lighting. Create a magical atmosphere with warm, ambient lighting. Use string lights, lanterns, or outdoor sconces with soft, warm-tone bulbs. Place them strategically to highlight specific areas or create a cozy ambience. 5. Plants and flowers. Bring the beauty of nature into your outdoor space with lush greenery and vibrant flowers. Choose plants that are native to your region or that thrive in your climate. Potted plants, hanging baskets, and flower beds can add color and life to your space. 6. Outdoor rug. An outdoor rug can define your outdoor living space and add a touch of color and pattern. Choose a rug made from durable materials like polypropylene or jute. Look for rugs with a rustic design, such as a geometric pattern or a faded floral print. 7. Outdoor art. Add personality and visual interest to your outdoor space with outdoor art. Consider hanging wall art, sculptures, or wind chimes. Choose pieces that complement your rustic style, such as metal wall art with a weathered finish or a wooden sculpture. 8. Outdoor pillows. Add comfort and style to your outdoor seating with outdoor pillows. Choose pillows with natural fabrics, earthy colors, and rustic patterns. Consider adding a few patterned pillows to mix and match with solid colored ones. 9. Outdoor throws. Keep warm and cozy on chilly evenings with outdoor throws. Choose throws made from soft, natural materials like wool or cotton. Look for throws with a rustic pattern, such as a plaid or a cable knit. 10. Outdoor lanterns. Outdoor lanterns add a touch of elegance and ambience to your outdoor space. Choose lanterns made from metal or glass with a rustic finish. Fill them with candles or battery-operated lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to decorate your rustic outdoor living space. Remember, the most important thing is to create a space that you love and that you can enjoy. If you're looking for more inspiration, please subscribe to my channel, Homes Decor Designs. I post new videos every day on all things home decor and design. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.